Mary from AutoHaus of Naples, and tonight I'm trying to beat the sunset. So I'm probably going to have a fairly quick video, but I do want to show you this gem. It is a 1998 Mercedes-Benz SL500 finished in a smoke silver with a cream beige interior, as you will see right here. And again, it is a 1998 and it only has 68,000 miles on it. And we have actually here at AutoHaus of Naples maintained this car for the probably the last couple years, I believe. So we know a lot about it. In fact, we do have a fairly new soft top along with brand new hydraulics as well. So the soft top operation is going to be something you can purchase worry-free. You do have the original Mercedes-Benz wheels and Michelin tires on this car. You have the xenon headlights as well, and under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine, and it produces about 300 horsepower. This is a wonderful car for you to have as a garage queen for your condo that you live seasonally in. It's great for date night. You know, I believe it's a very desirable year to have in the 1998 SL500s, and you can tell it's been extremely well maintained. And the soft top color is a soft brown, I believe, or a dark brown, which I will show you the operation whenever we go to take it out on a test drive. You can see that everything's clean, the seats are nice and clean, the carpet's nice and clean, the Mercedes-Benz sills there with that brushed aluminum and chrome look really has been well maintained. And in fact, we do have the windscreen. I say a lot in these cars, we are usually missing the windscreen since they're taken out of the vehicles and they're never put back in. And this does come with the car and along with a cover. So we do have a cover for it. Also, we have the hardtop. It's sitting right now in the AutoHaus of Naples showroom. And you also have a CD changer, and you can see
room for 2 sets of golf bags.
Oh, room for 2 sets of golf bags. If you guys could see the symbol he was giving, here. He was doing this behind the camera. Like, that's golf. Maybe this would have worked. But
I didn't want to make a big swing holding the camera.
Softball throw was really not doing it for me, camera guy. I'm not going to lie. I was caught
at least we tried.
A lot of times where I stutter, it's simply because of his motions behind the camera. If you watch closely in the reflection of these cars, you can probably catch him doing things, and I'm going. And anyway, so a lot of my ums and ands come from that guy right back there. Anyhow, I'm going to take it out on a test drive, show you guys the soft top. The test drive is going to be fairly quick because we are about to hit sunset in all of 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to get it started up for you guys. And if you can just pan in here, you're going to see whenever I turn the key over, all the lights light up. That's always indicative of active working lights. And look, if you guys would actually buy a car from us, maybe we could afford to put gas in our vehicles. Right now, it appears as though we don't have the money to put gas in. But I will be honest, these cars run while they're being detailed, they're being serviced, and you know, by the time we get them in the afternoon, it is difficult for us to have time to beat the sunset to put gas in the car. So I joke, but it's just the truth. Here, you just push down on the button, it illuminates bright red, and you'll see the soft top go up. Again, brand new hydraulics, nearly a brand new soft top. We do have the hard tops. I already said it's in the showroom at AutoHaus of Naples. And now I'm going to put it back down. So once again, I just, instead of pushing the button forward, I push it backwards, and the top goes down for you. You get the door shut. I sure don't want to turn the car off again since we are so utterly low on gas. Maybe I just drive straight to the gas station. But again, 68,204 miles on the odometer for 1998. That is low miles, and you can even tell just by the wood grain, the dash, everything this car has to offer. It has been so well maintained and loved by its owner and or owners. And we do have a built-in K40. We're not exactly sure if it is a working one. I'm sure it's something, if it's not, it's fixable, but we haven't actually taken the time to toy with
Maybe
that.
let's go out and speed it a little bit tonight and see if it works.
Yeah.
It beeped when I turned it on and then
Yeah,
light
okay.
hit on.
Yeah, then it probably
Yeah,
works.
so most likely they
Yeah.
work when the light comes on.
But that is something that is an option. You do have heated seats as well. I'm just putting the window up here. But the heated seats are located here for both you and the passenger. It's a two-seater convertible. I think it's a hot date night convertible. Here's the
Bargain priced right now.
It is bargain price. Look, the guy who originally bought this car probably paid more in sales tax than the car can be sold for today at just 68,000 miles. It's a very desirable car. I did say the 1998's SL500s are desirable as well. You can see you have the original Mercedes-Benz radio. The air conditioning blows very cold. I don't know anything about the heat, but I promise it's good too. Your lock and unlock button is here. This is going to be for your trunk. Your hazard lights, your ESP control, you can turn off here, and of course your, they call it sort of a roll bar, but you know, it also looks sort of stylish. Some people prefer to ride with that when they do drive these SLs because they prefer the way it looks. But you do have your leather wrapped steering wheel. As you can see, it looks like barely anybody has ever touched the steering wheel. I am very impressed with the looks of this car, how well someone has cared for it. Like I said, no blemishes really at all that I can see. No discoloration. The wood grain is beautiful and spectacular. Never been smoked on. And I'm gonna do a small acceleration run because I might
See if you run out of
I might
gas,
putt at the end. So just a small one. But you can see it runs nicely, accelerates nice, smooth, the suspension's tight, and it is one that should be highly sought after. You guys know by now my name's MaryAnn. If you don't subscribe, figure it out, interact with me. You can go to our website. You'll be able to see the listing. About 60 photos or so of this car will be online on our website. Also, the Carfax and everything else that you need to know about the car. You can call us at 239-263-8500. All that information's at the beginning and end of this video and below, and that also goes for that subscribe button. So smash it now, and I will see you guys on the next one.